Is your toilet clogged and you're fresh out of plungers? Don't panic. I've got you covered with 3 super simple solutions to unclog your toilet right now. First step, the hot water and dish soap trick. Grab a bucket and fill it with hot, but not boiling, water. Squirt a generous amount of dish soap directly into the toilet bowl. The soap acts as a lubricant to help break down the clog. Then, carefully pour the hot water into the bowl from waist level. The force of the water combined with the soap should help dislodge the blockage. Give it a few minutes to work its magic. If the hot water isn't cutting it, let's try the baking soda and vinegar method. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the clogged toilet bowl, making sure it evenly spreads in the bowl. Follow that with 2 cups of vinegar. This will create a fizzy reaction that helps break down the clog. Let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. After waiting, flush the toilet to see if the clog has cleared. Still stuck? Time to get hands-on with a wire hanger. Carefully straighten a wire coat hanger, leaving a small hook at the end. Gently insert the hooked end of the hanger into the toilet bowl and try to break up the clog. Avoid using too much force, as you don't want to damage the porcelain. Once you feel the clog break up, flush the toilet to see if it clears. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to unclog your toilet without a plunger. Remember to be patient and repeat the process. If needed, let me know in the comments which method worked best for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more home hacks.